Okay, sure. So type in the chat box, what are the roadblocks to take action? Okay, what are the blocks you see, or what are what we call them, roadblocks or challenges or problems, when you want to take some actions. Type in the comment box, type in the chat box that what roadblocks do you see. Okay, lack of communication. Okay, it may be planning is not good. Planning is not good. Okay, okay. Anything else? Laziness, fear, not necessary. Laziness, fear. Okay, okay. Anything else? Procrastination habit, manage works, laziness. Okay, procrastination. Okay, okay, great. Okay, good. So, why do you procrastinate? What is the reason? Can anybody type what? Why do you procrastinate? Just think for a moment and
Because
then
sir, I
type.
don't want to do that work.
Think for a moment. Okay, think for a moment and then type. Okay. Think for without thinking. Don't type. Okay, just don't type what is in your mind. Think for a moment. Why do you procrastinate really? And then type. Okay, Mani Kumar, I think there is no time for it. Okay, really? Is it the reason? Really? But everybody has 24 hours a day. How some people don't procrastinate, how some people procrastinate. Because we have options to, yeah, maybe when situation do, we cannot procrastinate, okay? We tend to procrastinate because of lack of interest, maybe, yes. Sometimes we don't want to do that works, yes. We want to run from those works, yes. Okay, all of you are right, everybody has different reason to procrastinate, okay? There is no fixed reason, okay? Maybe something is different for me, maybe something is different for you, but when you take actions, okay, first thing is you have to have some clarity in your mind, okay? You have to have some clarity, some sort of dream, some sort of target. Okay, some sort of. I am not saying you make big targets, but some sort of target must be there. Some sort of benefit should be there. Otherwise, your mind won't work. Okay, it won't say, I'm not getting any benefit. Why should I do? First thing, okay. First thing is you have some clarity about it. Why you want to do something, there must be reason behind it, and then after reason you make some plans around it. After planning you execute them, okay? Execution requires many things. Maybe one of them is willpower, maybe one of them is removing your fears, maybe one thing is prioritizing, getting the point. So there comes many factors when you really take action, and most important is focus. Another important factor is results itself. Suppose that you are not getting results in your mind, in your head, will you take action? It's very hard to take action if there is something no result in your mind, right? It's very hard to take action when there is no problem. When you are in problem, you give signal to the mind, this is the problem, I want to remove it. And when you want to remove it, you want to take action. And then also you are, so many times you are fixated on the results. What if I don't get the results? If you are not clear about results, do you really take action? Maybe your thoughts, you know, there are so many thoughts revolving in your mind. You are totally confused, you are totally depressed. Will you take action? No. Right? So first thing is you have to get clarity. Second thing is you say make some plan. Clarity means you must have some benefit associated with it. You must have some problem going on that you want to solve, or something else. Okay, then you make plan. Then you try to execute with the full power, with full focus, with full energy, and you want to stick to one thing, removing every other thing, right? No confusion. Your mind doesn't like to be confused, but it is confused most of the times. Why it is confused? Will I get the results? I will do things only when I get the results, when I'm sure. When when I'm sure I will take action, otherwise I don't take action. Otherwise you will procrastinate. Right? Just type in the chat box if you agree with me, or if don't agree with me, just type. Okay, good. Mani Kumar, yes. Shiv Kumar, yes. Right, okay. So what you can do, to get the results? What you can do? First thing is, like, you really need to understand what is results. Okay? Is result in your hand? Probably not. Okay? Is result in your hand? Just type if you say it is in my hand or it is not my hand. Okay? So you need to really understand what is result, and is it in your hand, or what are the type of the results? Maybe in my views, like, there are two types of results, maybe tangible results or intangible results. Something you can see or something you cannot see. Where is our focus most of the time? Most of the time our focus is on tangible results. We don't see intangible results, right? For example, I want to lose weight, maybe 10 kg, okay? So if I get the result like 10 kg, then I will be happy, otherwise I won't consider any results. Does it happen with you guys? So if you remove 10 kg, then you say that yes, I got the results. If not, then you don't say it is not the result. I'm not getting the result. You don't consider losing 1 kg or 15, maybe 500 grams a result. Do you really consider as a result? Do you consider that you are getting strength? Do you consider that as a result? Do you consider that you are feeling good? Do you consider that as a result? Do you consider that you, after doing exercise, you are really active, you can take better decisions, you are in energy? Do you really think those as the results? Okay, if you consider, that's fantastic. But when you don't have the understanding, what you will do, what you will say, if I lose 10 kg, then only it is result, otherwise it is not the result. Right? That's why we don't take full action, massive action. We don't consider 80%, 60% or 50% is result. Right? We want to consider only 100% as a result. Suppose, right? Okay. But you have to remove that thinking. Okay? You have to remove that thinking. Even if you are getting 10%, 20%, 30%, maybe 60%, you are getting the results. Don't be fixated on, if I get 100%, then only I will take actions. Only when I am clear about everything, then only I will take actions. No. If you are clear 10%, 20%, 30%, go and take actions. Even if you are wrong, take actions. You are always worried about results. Will I get the results? Only if I get the results, I will take action. Give me some plan that is foolproof. Then only I will take actions. And result is not in your hands. Okay? It is not. How much effort you put, it doesn't matter. It is not in your hands. Never. And never it will be. Okay? So don't worry about the results. If you want to worry, really worry about actions. What actions you are taking? How you are changing your plans if something doesn't work? How quickly you are changing your plans? Okay? In how many directions you are thinking? What is in your hand? In your hand is your actions. You can take one action, two actions, multiple actions, massive actions, any kind of actions. That is in your hand. And the universal law is, if you take actions, you will get results. 100% sure. That may be not according to your expectations, but you will get the results. There is no doubt about it. You may consider it as a result, or you may not consider it as a result, but you will get the results. It may be tangible for you, it may not be tangible for you, but you will get the results. Okay? So first thing is take action. Take action. Massive action. If you want to really worry about actions, not about the results. And it is opposite, right? People are worried about results. They are not worried about actions. Are you getting the point? So write down what actions you are taking. Okay? Even if, suppose that you are getting 50% of the results with full effort, full energy, full everything, okay? You must be satisfied. Right? If you want to get 60%, 70%, maybe 100%, then change something. Change something in your plans. Change something in your energy. Change something in your thinking.